Rajya Sabha ki MP Ningthaule Semba Sanajaobana Manipurgi rural area da All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS Hospital ama sabiu haina ngarang parliament mifam da house ki pukning takshinkhre ngarang gi mifam da special mention oina pukhatladuna MP Sanajaobana hai haukiba chahi khara asida leba ki tongan ba mafam singda AIMS Hospital kunmanga lingkhatpa ngamkiba asimak Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba NDA lengak asigi miyoi crore cham ka nifurom da leriba healthcare gi mathau taba sing fanghanba ngamnaba AIMS kumba hospital sing leibak asigi kachin koya thungna hangdukuna manung hanjinba amadi afaba makhalgi ana layenggi khudong chaba fanghanba ngamgani Manipurgi onasu leriba mi singa yenglubada hojik leriba infrastructure asida awatba kaya leiri afaba ana layeng sangwat panamioi kaya ana layenggi damak atopa state singda chatpada sel tungi khudong chataba kaya mayok nari marabasina state asigi lairaba mioi kaya gi ana layeng da khudong chaba fanghanaba AIMS hospital ama lingkhatpa mathau tai asigumba institute ama thamduna referral hospital oiduna cancer amadi atai complex oba laichet kaya layeng bada khudong chahan gani maramasina AIMS hospital ama Manipurgi rural area da lingkhatpinaba MP Sanajaobana union government ki pukning chingsinkhi
an AIMS hospital in rural area of Manipur. Sir, within a short span of time, there are around 25 AIMS hospitals established at different regions of the country. This is a remarkable achievement for the NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to meet the health care requirements of 140 crore Indians. We need establishment of medical institutes like AIMS in all corners of the country to extend inclusive health care facilities to remote and rural areas of the country. This will enable the rural poor people to access affordable and quality medical care. The present medical infrastructure in Manipur is also inadequate in comparison with population. Besides this, due to lack of expertise, hundreds of patients are going outside the state for medical treatment, facing economic hardship. By establishing an AIMS hospital in Manipur, quality and affordable health care facilities could be provided to the needy and poor rural peoples of the state. The institutes can be a referral hospital for the entire region, and specific research on cancer, which is very rampant in the state, and also complex diseases could be treated. So I urge upon the union government to establish a full-fledged AIMS hospital in rural areas of Manipur.